Park here. Taking a little hike today. Beautiful day. It was 9 degrees this morning. Clouds are moving. It's the calm after the storm. Cottage over there.
He seems to be completely unreceptive. The tests I gave him showed no sense at all. His eyes react to light, the dial's detected. He hears but cannot answer to your call.
Trees. It's up there a ways. Here's another one. It's going the opposite way.
There is no chance, no untried operation. All hope lies with him and none with me. Imagine though the shock from isolation, when he suddenly can hear and speak and see. His eyes can see, his ears can hear, his lips speak. All the time the needles flick and rock. No machine can give the kind of stimulation needed to remove his inner block.
You can see this is where some deer were bedding down. All these deer tracks through here.
What is happening in his head? What is happening in his head? I wish I knew. I wish I knew.
Hat up. Like I said, it sure does look beautiful, but you hear the crunch. Snow doesn't crunch if it's not bitterly cold out. It's got to get single digits in order to make that sound. So shooting down. This here is, see where the deer were eating that little thing there. Let me brighten this up a little bit there. Look at that. See, they ate that grass right there. It's all they could find. And you see they hooved out some dirt and stuff out here in leaves just to get to that. And they found that, and after they ate it, they kind of walked off that way. It's not far from where they were bedding down, actually, either. There's a lot of destruction there. broken limbs. Heading through some prickers here. But heading, let's zoom back here. Heading south. Shot of the hills over there. Another little clearing here. A lot of prickerage trying to get me. Evil ones too.